Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x24 hybrid enclosed trailer. At the front we do have an electric jack as well as your breakaway cables and chains. This trailer does have stone guard along the bottom and corners of your trailer. There are two doors on the enclosed portion, one on the passenger side and one on the rear. There are barlock and RV locks. The inside portion of the enclosed does have a 12-volt dome light, roof vent, and rear RV style door with window and screen. There are also 3 light switches beside your door. Coming to the outside of our trailer, we do have the utility portion, which is a open concept with the roof. There are floodlights on the back portion of your enclosed, as well as one over the top of the passenger side door. There is a small flush gate on the utility portion, as well as teardrop stone guard fenders. This trailer does have a bifold rear loading gate with the spring assist system. There is a spring latch that holds your gate up, as well as LED brake lights. This trailer has pressure treated wood flooring in a black screwed exterior. This trailer does come equipped with 2 5,200-pound axles. Once again, this is a 7x24 hybrid enclosed trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.